Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be making a card that is like a pop-up cat card. You can give it for birthdays or any other occasion. So right now I'm gonna fold it in half and then I'm going to cut this paper so it's only half of the paper. I'm cutting it vertically and then I will be folding it horizontally. Now I'm getting another piece of paper for the cat. I'm using tan-ish color. You could like color it yourself, but I chose to use a tan construction paper. I have a template that I got from online. I'll link it in the description below. And I'm just cutting that out. Of course, you could just draw it yourself. And so after cutting it out, I'm gonna trace it onto the tan paper and cut that out. So in the template, if you're gonna do it by yourself, you want like a small head and a back of like the foot and the tail, and then the front to be the exactly same but without the tail. And you're going to have a rectangular body and a few ears, like two ears. And then I'm just gonna be going to draw the features of the cat onto it when I have cut out the construction paper. So now that I have cut out the features, I'm going to be getting the back legs with the tail on it, and I'm going to be folding the paws to make it look like paws, and that'll kind of help it stand up also in the pop-up card. And you're gonna try to do it like the exact same to the front and the back. And now I'm just getting the back of it and placing it where I want it to be, and I'm folding the top and bottom of the just a little bit, not the whole thing, to kind of make it stick, and that's how it's gonna look. And I'm gluing one of the flaps to the back and the other one to the front, so they both stick. And look popped up. I'm just using a glue stick. You could use this regular white glue. And now that I have done so, you can kind of see it coming together. And now I'm just going to be putting the ears onto the head, and then you will see me putting the head on the body. Now I'm just making the eyes and adding the details like the whiskers, mouth, and all that. I'm also probably going to add orange stripes to make it look like a tabby cat. That's just my preferred look. You could be creative with this and even go a little crazy with it, you know? Make it rainbow, whatever you desire. I'm outlining the pencil sketch with a marker to make it look a little more bold and more noticeable of the features. You don't have to do this. Now I'm taking the orange marker and adding stripes to the head and both of the cheeks. And I'm gonna add a spiral looking stripes to the tail to give it a pop of color so it's not all the same color. You could make it the same color, I just chose not to. Now I'm just starting the tail and adding stripes to the tail. Now I'm gonna glue the head onto the body. I'm making it a little tilted to make it look a little like a curious cat. I feel like I'll make it a cuter. And then I'm gonna use it to kind of see where it's gonna go and the placement and how it's going to work. So I'm putting the paws down and gluing the paws first, or sorry, not the paws, I meant the back. And then just place it, and now I'm gluing the back. And kind of folding it so it stays stuck on there. And now I'm adding a little more glue because I guess it didn't stick. And that's it for the inside. I'm drawing a few clouds to make it like a sunny day. And it's like it has a little cloud. So the background isn't so dark and gloomy. Again, optional. You couldn't have done something differently. Add happy birthday to it, add a little cute hat maybe. Whatever your heart desires. There's no way you can go wrong with this. It'll always turn out cute. And yeah, now I'm drawing a sun. Again, to make the colors pop and kind of have a contrast between the different colors I'm having. I used white paper, you could have used yellow construction paper. And I just used that to color and used a marker to color in the sun. And then I'm gonna be gluing the sun to near the So now I'm just folding it back so it doesn't get messed up. And I have another piece of paper. It's the same color, you could choose a different color. And I'm folding that, and this is where I'm going to put the pop-up card inside and just decorate the outside. So I'm gluing the paper of the pop-up to the just folded piece of paper. And I'm doing this to both sides and aligning it so when you open it, it looks like it's kind of uniformed. Now I'm folding that in and just so it doesn't go like it's together and doesn't fall apart. And now I'm just sketching out happy birthday with a pencil, and then I'm probably gonna color it just so it looks good. Now I'm gonna trace the letters with black and gonna color it in different colors so it's kind of bolded and it's noticeable. And I'm doing these with all the letters. Now I'm taking other marker colors and coloring the happy birthday bubble letters. For the first letters, I chose to color it one color and the other letters to be a pattern. So I chose to do like stripes. You could just do it every color or different things, it's your choice.